Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox this Delta bathroom faucet single handle. Let's open this out and see what kind of beauty inside. We have some instructions, a nice, beautiful looking back plate. Some other tools to install the hose. And we have the drain unit. Looks beautiful. This is push operation, which is really cool. It comes with everything you need. And let's see the beauty. Look at that. This definitely looks so cool. Beautiful. Wow, very smooth. This is the back of it. Side. This is where the water comes out, which has nice plastic here. Not typical circular shape. This is nice, cool handle. Operation is very smooth. And on the bottom part, we have the already installed connectors hose. This is so nice. It has color coded. You can see here red for hot, blue for the cold water. And let's see what else. Anything else comes here. That's all you have. I hope you guys like it. I really like this. Very futuristic looking, beautiful, modern. Thank you for watching.